very key question, ठीक है, before you move on into the next conversation with me. The question is, what makes a great title and thumbnail in 2025?
I love that question. I can talk about that question
Because
so much.
Thumbnails and titles change with
Yes.
time. So what's the best kind of thumbnails and titles now?
Got it. So I would say that for me, I can talk about me, I cannot talk about any other category.
2.5 million views in 24 hours.
24 hours, 2.5 million views. How I look at thumbnails is to study outliers. What do we mean by outliers? This is a very technical term, but this is a very, very important term for anyone who's now going to become a YouTuber. Whenever you're scrolling through your feed and you find a video by a creator who you usually don't follow, and yet that has more views than the average number of views, just screenshot that thumbnail and keep it as your inspirational, what I call it as an inspirational database. Because something happened in that video where usually a creator would get 20,000 views, but that gave them 100k views. That's an outlier video. So something happened in their title or thumbnail that worked. So I have a huge bank of just inspirational board. Now, from my inspirational board, what I have noticed is, in titles, keep it 50 words max, 50 characters max. Do not try to be clickbaity. Do not try to be following any sort of format. Give them what that video is genuinely about, which you will be able to do justice to. And do that justice within the first 30 seconds. For example, if I say that I am going to the hottest place, in the first frame itself, I'll show the temperature, the heat, my shoe melting, some animal died, I'll show it in the first. So be truthful in what the title and the thumbnail is. Thumbnail में मेरे को लगता है कि for me what works is when I show myself in that space, only three components should be in your thumbnail. Do not overcrowd it. Think about contrast, think about colors. A lot of times creators make this mistake that they want to templatize things. Yes, sure, that makes your job easy. So just keep it as simple and as impactful as possible. Study. A lot of creators have already made courses, have done a lot of YouTube videos are out on what makes a great title, what makes a great thumbnail. There are a lot of also strategists like Paddy Galloway is the one who works with Mr. Beast and who works with Ryan Trehan. He talks a lot about this on his Twitter. There is also Colin and Samir who do a lot of podcasts with very, very famous creators to follow them. John Yusufi is a channel name who is a person who worked with YouTube for 15 years and now has become a full-time creator who makes content for creators. So follow creators like that. And it's a very sad reality to say, but 30% of your time should be spent in just the title and thumbnail in a video. No matter how beautiful that story is, if people don't click it, what's the point? We have too many documentaries in India which are not accessible.
And they're good documentaries.
Great documentaries, amazing stories, but
people don't know how to sell themselves.
Yes.
Pizza box matters as much as the pizza.
Agreed. The packaging matters as much as the thing inside it. At the end of the day, what I'm doing here right now is selling myself.
If you enjoyed today's clip, make sure you check out these curated playlists that we've made especially for you related to the subject that was spoken about in this clip.